Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the DNS address in the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Changing the DNS can help improve browsing speed, increase privacy, and sometimes fix issues when certain websites do not load properly. Opera GX allows you to use Secure DNS, which encrypts DNS requests and lets you choose a trusted DNS provider. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX browser, then click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Again, click on the triple line menu and select here System in the drop down menu. Under System, ensure to turn on this one toggle that says use DNS over HTTPS instead of the system's DNS setting. Turn on this one toggle. After that, you will see you can choose here Cloudflare, Google public DNS. If you prefer another DNS provider, you can also select the custom option and enter the DNS addresses manually. After selecting your preferred DNS provider, the changes are applied automatically. You do not need to restart the browser. That's it. You have successfully changed the DNS address in the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.